Welcome to the Sherlock Driver app training video. This video explains how ranks work in Sherlock. You will learn how to join a rank and check your position in it. A rank is a special area where jobs are distributed on a first come first served basis. Or, in other words, the first driver waiting in the rank will be the first driver to receive a job. When you join a rank, you'll be placed at the back of the queue and move up the positions as the drivers ahead start to receive jobs. Once you are first in the queue, you'll get a job soon. To join a rank, you should be located in the rank area. If you want to see a list of available ranks, select the Rank Zones option from the side menu in the driver app and drive in the direction of the rank you wish to join. As soon as you enter the rank area or defined radius, you will automatically join the rank. There will be a pop-up notification in the driver app to confirm this as well. Once in a rank, your status changes to in rank and you are automatically assigned to all service queues that your vehicle type is compatible with. For instance, there can be a black cab, saloon, and any vehicle service queues within a rank. Black cabs can only join the black cab service queue, and saloon cars only the saloon service queue, whereas any vehicle is a queue which both black cabs and saloon cars could join. At the top of the screen, you will see the name of the rank and your position number. Depending on your company's policy, the number displayed will either be your current position in the main service queue, as it is in this case, or your position in the service queue, where you are most likely to get a job as you are closer to the top of the queue than in others. If you want to see detailed queue information, you can select the Rank Details option from the side menu. On the Rank Details screen, all service queues which you are in are displayed. Queues are colour highlighted according to your position number. If the queue is green, you are the first driver. If the queue is yellow, there is one driver ahead of you. If the queue is grey, there are at least two drivers ahead of you. Each time you move up the queue, a pop-up notification is displayed at the bottom of this screen, informing you of your new position number. When you move to the first rank position in one of the queues, you will see a notification telling you that you are likely to receive a job soon. Once a job is allocated to you, do the job as usual. There are some things to remember while you are in a rank. You can leave any service queue listed on the screen which you have been automatically added to by pressing leave. After confirming that you want to leave the rank, the service queue will change colour to dark grey, which means you are no longer queued for this service. Please note that if you try to leave the last service queue, the system will automatically exclude you from the rank and you'll be put on break. If you have a job allocated to you and the job is then cancelled, you'll be automatically added back into the rank you are currently located in and your position number will be close to the head of the queue. Please remember that while you are in a rank, your internet and GPS connection must be stable. If there are problems with GPS or internet connection, you will see an alert at the bottom of the screen and a countdown timer in the top left hand corner showing the time left to fix the problem, otherwise you'll be automatically excluded from the rank by the end of the countdown. Thank you for watching.